Okay. All right. Well, this was all overgrown. We just took down trees that were in the power line, pruned up that tree, which will probably come down pretty soon. This was all brush, and it's been taken down by the mighty weed whacker, my wife and myself. And the trusty little Ryobi pruning saw just broke. I don't have the tool to fix it, but this was all completely overgrown. And Mama Monster, farm girl extraordinaire, has cleared it out. You can see all the brush back there. It's all back there. There's many trees.